Hey, welcome to the Augment community. This is a small video just to show you how it's working here, and it will give you a nice idea where to post your stuff. First of all, we have the announcement it's self-explained. This is where we post announcement. There's a lot of announcement channel right here, and some will be hidden for you. So maybe you will not see the JetBrains or the VS Code or the Vim. How this is working? You claim a role here. You will see if you're using VS Code, JetBrains, Vim. Are you interested into announcement, a live stream, event and contest, and project update? This is where you select your role, and you will see channel here based on what you select. So if you can unselect also, if you click it like VS Code by error, just re-click it and everything will be fine. The role will be removed from you. We have a command list that you can get like quickly started with some stuff. Like if you're asking some question, we have a bot that can answer you for you. Here's the join channel where everyone is joining. You can wave to say hi. Is the chit chat banter this is where basically every conversation goes, and you can speak about anything here. You're satisfied, you're not, you have a question, everything, you can raise it here. But basically this is not a help channel. This is more a community thing that where when you post it here, other community member will answer, and maybe me or another dev or engineer from Augment will say you hi and answer your question here. Here's the feedback section. So if you have a feedback about your experience with Augment, you can send it here. Basically, you can create like a post, like in the forum, or this is a thread, starting a thread only for your thing. This is not a place that you should ask a question, by the way. This is more a place that you're telling us about your own experience. We have VS Code chat, JetBrain chat, and Vim chat. This is a place where you speak about the extension, Augment extension directly that with VS Code. You don't speak about anything else. Don't talk about sports or anything. This is more for VS Codes, JetBrains, and Vim. Your creation, when you create something with Augment, you're invited to show it to everyone. So here's some creation of other people here, and you can reply, start a threads, and just tell them that you're amazed by what they have done and what you should change and stuff like this. If you're posting about us into social media, just post it here in your Augment social share, and we will see it, and our management will see why and what you do to promote us, and this is a good thing. There's a product showcase, so basically this is where when we have something like a video about Augment, we post it here and some news and some stuff. This is not like announcements, just of a random video and stuff about Augment. If you have an idea, you want something implemented into Augment, this is the place you go into idea. You start a thread and you basically we will answer you, and sometime when there's a lot of people liking it and replying to it, we are putting it into the roadmap. There's a doc there's a doc feature into Augment that you can basically tag a documentation. If the documentation is not in Augment, you can request it here. The tips and integration. When you see something and you do something great with Augment and you think that other people are not knowing what you're currently doing, and how do you do that? That's where you explain it. That is the community guide. People are posting how they are doing stuff. The prompt sharing. So when your AI coding is all about prompt. So if you asking yourself how you should do stuff, like and there's a lot of people telling how they are doing it. There's a little bot here that can answer you some question, but his knowledge is based on the documentation that is live on the website. So if you check the documentation on the website, normally it should answer that. There, he is not very good right now for a specific question, and it's not a coding bot. So just ask about the stuff that is public about Augment, and it will not answer stuff that is private from the dev and stuff like this. It don't have access to anything. It's just like a chatbot that answering you about the normal stuff. We have all the help section here. So if you have a problem with account, the agent mode, the chat mode, JetBrains, VS Codes, Vim, you start a thread here. This is where you will get the support from us. Right now, we are trying to manage every tickets and everything that we receive, but there's a lot of conversation in this, and we are trying to follow up. This is more community and engineer and stuff that will answer you here. If you have a major problem, just contact the support at augmentcode.com, and this is the place to go. So we don't have any SLE here, so we're trying to answer everyone and we're trying to do it quickly, but basically sometimes there's many messages, so bear with us. We are there, we are supporting you, but sometimes there's thousands of messages per day, so it's pretty hard to follow. And sometimes you can ping me like you can do, you tag me in it, and I will see it instantly. A lot of people is tagging me on stuff, and that's pretty good. So this is that was how it's working here, and you're welcome. If you have any question, we are there. Just ask it in Chit Chat Banter channel. This is the place to go. This is where you will have a lot of people speaking, and hope you will have a pleasure here. And we are there. And your message is they'll look about the engineering team and the management of Augment are checking this Discord very oftenly. So make sure that we make sure that you're heard. We hear you guys. Lots of welcome, and please post into the chit chat banter about, hey, I'm new here. This is my project. I'm trying out Augment right now. We want to know that. So have a nice day. Bye bye.